Hope, Santa left you your stocking. You have no clue what's going on, do you, Hope? You just want to drink your juice.
I wonder why you got those. And Mrs. Potato Head accessories?
Who, Mrs. Potato Head?
I hope you like these.
Oh, there you go. I hope that was from Santa.
Let's see what else is in here. Oh, we got a snack bar. Cool. Ooh, a nice lightweight bib. He's smart. You might not rip this one off.
Hope he's sick on Christmas.
Oh, look, it's a Tinkerbell ornament. Oh, it's pretty. Let's take it out and you can put it on the tree.
Well, keep going.
Oh. Last, I think there's one more thing. Oh.
Threw the ornament. Didn't want the ornament.
Slippers!
And then you got some slippers.
Well, I'll show you what you do with them. You put them on.
Look who's on camera! Me. Who's the beautiful Christmas baby? Hope is. Hope, look at Daddy. Hi. What are you playing with? Oh, the camera.
Mom got me 4 shoes. That's nice.
You think it's funny? Yeah? What's up? What's up? Merry Christmas, Hope. I see you. Boo. 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 Oh, biffing it on the tile.
Mom got me a couple
Boo.
here.
What, you want a kiss?
That's sweet. You want to help me? Look. What is it? Did you open the box? Oh, she put it through the course. I'm going to taste everything. What's in there? Oh my goodness. Now those are some cute shoes. You
Got
like
some
them?
shoes.
Ooh.
What is that?
Pretty one.
Oh, got a Cabbage Patch doll and doesn't even like it.
There she does. She's pretty.
So far, shoes and a Cabbage Patch doll. Hope
No?
Next present.
Let's see, it's so Granny. Mommy just can't open boxes lately. You don't mess with it.
Ooh,
Oh, it's another puppet.
it's a puppet.
Oh, and you can be the baby one and I can be the mommy one. That's so cute.
Baby and mommy puppet. Oh, Hope wants some more stuff though. Oh, what's that? PJs?
Yes. Ooh, nice warm PJ.
PJs, Hope.
Cool. You want to see what Aunt Tony got for you? You're gonna be impressed. You want to see? Oh, look. Oh.
She's lounging, man. Oh, got a little school bus. Cool.
All the little people. Oh, when you take a bath today, look at that. Oh. Here's the book.
Hope you like your beanbag? You like it, Hope?
I'll have to figure out a way. Yeah. That's cute, huh? That's a pretty good. Where are your other little people? I think she threw them away. Don't be careful.
Hope it's your last present. Merry Christmas, honey. And you like your last present. That's good. What is it? Some kind of monkey.
It's a zoo.
It's a zoo? Merry Christmas, everybody. Danielle, Merry Christmas. You can say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Alright,
Are you
bye.
filming that?
Yeah.